What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. Today we're going to be taking a test drive in this all-new 2019 Honda Accord Sport. This is going to be in our 2-liter turbocharged motor instead of that 1.5-liter turbocharged motor. Another thing about this car is it's actually going to be in the 6-speed manual transmission instead of the 10-speed automatic. So let's go ahead and jump into that. I'm going to be giving you guys a couple different pulls. So maybe do from 0, show you guys maybe a 20 pull, something like that. Nothing crazy, not full throttle or anything like that, but just enough to show you guys the acceleration. Now guys, before this video even begins, I want to start out with something that's really cool. Something I just found out. So this is the this is a 2-liter Sport. You do not get the the remote engine start on this car. However, there is a hack for it. Guys, you can take the 2-liter and add remote engine start to that. Drop a comment and like this video if you want to see me do that. I will make that video this week and post it on here. Just let me know if you guys want to see it or not. So I thought that was phenomenal. What a great feature. So let's go ahead and jump into this car and get it going. I'll go ahead and turn it off for you guys and start it up from nothing so you can see. Like I said, it is going to be 6-speed manual transmission. We can go ahead and just push the start button there and low fuel. Alright guys, so first impression sitting on the inside of this car. Seating is awesome. It's not super bolstered, which I wouldn't expect it to, but seating position is awesome. Now, actually, I just got out of a 2019 Toyota Camry, the XSE. I actually have a comparison between these two cars on my channel, so if you want to see that, make sure you go give that video a look. But now I have a little bit more insight as how some of the competition drives. And let me tell you guys, it is a night and day difference between the way the Accord drives and the way that Camry drives. The Camry, don't get me wrong, it is comfortable. It drives really smooth. There's no doubt about that. But the Accord, the way it drives is, I mean, it's sporty. It feels, just like I said, completely different. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, but make sure you hit the dealership and actually take a test drive for one. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, as well as subscribe to my channel. I am trying to hit 3,000 subscribers before the end of the year. If you guys could help me out with that, that'd be phenomenal. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this thing on the road. Alright guys. So, first impressions, it drives really nice. Great power. Great power. I'm in 4th gear right now. The clutch feels very light. Goes right into gear. Pretty decently short throw. Not too bad. Down into 6th there. Now this car does come with the lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, all of that kind of stuff. Adaptive cruise control. You can see there, it's actually telling me what my speed limit is on this road. 50 miles an hour. That's really cool. Now, something that's different between this versus the automatic is, on the automatic you're gonna have a sport mode option. On this manual transmission, of course, there is not going to be a sport mode option. There is still an econ mode, though. I'm going to go ahead and do one more little pull for you guys while the tachometer's on. Now, I am trying to drive and film at the same time, so that's why I'm not doing nothing too much. There we go. once again, great power. You have no problem passing people in this car. No problem at all. We close the sunroof so you can hear the lack of noise in here. Go ahead. Make a U-turn here. Guys, make sure you drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you guys have driven one of these yet, what you guys think about the drive of it. Maybe if there's something that I'm missing as well. Wow, how nice is that? How nice is that? Guys, this car is awesome. I can't say enough nice things about this car. It's a nice Porsche right there. Alright guys, that's gonna end it for this video. I would do a sound clip for you guys, but I'll get copyrighted. If you guys make music and want me to feature that music on my channel so that I can show you guys what the sound system sounds like, please drop a comment and let me know. That's something I'm really interested in doing right now. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Other than that, thank you guys for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. If you guys live in San Diego, please make sure you come and see me. I can give you a great deal on these cars, as well as help you guys out in any way possible as far as learning the car, any kind of product stuff you guys need. Just drop a comment, let me know, and I definitely will read those and get back in contact with you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next Is That Chad Honda Reviews video.